All right, here are your instructions. Here are your milk rings. Here are your strips. So split them into 6 and 6 because you have 2 milk rings. So all you have to do is, well, there's a bunch of ways to tie them, but we'll do this one. This one's the easiest. Put that through. You have both ends. Tie a knot. That's the easiest knot. And we can do the more complicated knot. This time you fold it in half. Make sure you're right next to this one. And if I can get it to work. It's really hard to see. There you go. You loop it back through. And so this isn't a knot, so then you tie it again. Boop. Now it's nice and secure so your cat can't get into it. I'm gonna mix these up. And you just keep going until you run out of milk ring. So you can be fancy and you can tie them together like this to make them even more secure. And I accidentally made a really cool pattern, so I'm kind of happy with that. We're making these for Orphan Angels Sanctuary. And here's their contact info.
It will be in the description.
Yes. Have fun.